Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the workbench today we have my Spectrum Plus 2A, and I'm just going to clean up a bit of work I did on here before. Go over it with a bit of IPA as I reflowed some of the things on it. I reflowed this ASIC, I think they call it, ASIC, however you pronounce it. Because previously the keyboard wasn't working, and after I reflowed this it started working again. So this particular chip controls quite a lot. So I'll give it a bit of a clean up. One of the things I do unclean is the edge connector. So, edge connectors, because there is actually two on a Plus 2A. This is the main one that most things plug into. Pretty dirty, that. Q-tip, I think. I'm going to clean this bit as well. Show you a few things on here. I actually bought this like this, so I haven't done all of these modifications, but this is one for the socket, the tape out socket, because the Plus 2As came with it disabled, and this bodge wire goes around there to re-enable it. And on this side you can see I've got the Plus 3E ROM chips in it, Gary Lancaster ones, so that gives you a few more features than the normal Plus 2A. Clean the edge connector from this side. Just as dirty this side actually. Not as dirty as the other side, I don't think, but it'll be clean anyway. And I'll do this particular board. There would be no way of connecting a floppy disk, not a normal Amstrad one, even if they had brought one out. Must be the Plus 2B that has the yeah, I think it is. It's the Plus 2B that has the socket or connector for another drive. Clean it up a little bit around here and there. Go around that from this side. other modifications I've made to this board, apart from the 3E ROMs, I've actually added the little port for the, what would be the floppy disk. See, it's got, you can see it there, it says +12 ground -5. That one there is for the cassette, and that's for the LED on the front of the case. Other things we've done on here: caps replaced August 2021, audio mod, that's what I showed you on the other side, R44 to 470 ohm resistor, gate array, that's what that's called. Gate array was been reflowed. Got sound there, yeah, that's the sound output it says, but you can get tape in and out through that with the audio mod. Right, that's just about everything there, I think. This is the bottom of the case. I'll just give it a bit of a clean dusties, I think. So this is a +2A board. You might notice something about this case as I put it together. I won't say anything just yet. Notice something a little different about it. Put the screws in. Now I've got the keyboard. Zoom out a bit. Keyboard just plugs in here, like so. Oh, this is where you might notice something a bit different about this case. Giving the LED power. Yes, it's a +3 case. It does fit okay. The printer lines up. There's where disc B would be, so that is the part that's missing. Tape, sound, power supply, RGB.